friends. Today we are going to study about a very important topic in English grammar, that is modes of expression. This is very useful in framing sentences. So to learn about modes of expression, we have to know first of all about the modal verbs. So today in this lecture we are going to study about modal verbs. So let's see about some modal verbs. The first one is can or can't. Here there are different variations of can or can't. The modal verb is used differently in these sentences. So we will learn about those. The first one is she can read and write. Here ability is shown that she is able to read and write. So the sentence is she can read and write. The second one, it can rain today. That is, there is possibility or probability that it can rain today. The third one, can I borrow your pen? One is seeking permission that can I borrow your pen? The fourth one, can you lend me your notes? Can you lend me your book? Here one is seeking request. One is doing request that can you lend me your notes? The other sentence, can I carry your books? This is the offer being made. That can I carry your books? Now look at the second modal verb, could or couldn't. They are different uses. The first one is could I borrow your pen? Whenever could is used, more politeness is added. So if I am asking could I borrow your pen, then I am seeking permission with more politeness. The other sentence, could you please help me with this sum? Here request is being made with more politeness. The third one, we could go for a picnic on this Sunday. Here suggestion is being made. So we can use could for suggesting to. Like this in this sentence, we could go for a picnic on Sunday. The other sentence, I think you could come first this time. This is my thinking. This is possibility. You can come first this time. So this is a possibility or probability. The other sentence, there was a time when I could work round the clock. Here past ability is shown. We are not talking about the present situation, whether I can do it right now or not, but in the past I was able to perform round the clock. So this is the sentence, there was a time when I could work round the clock. Here past ability is shown. The third one is might. They might sell their house as they need money. That is, future possibility or probability is shown. Here might is used. That is, they might sell their house as they need money, future possibility or probability. So let's see the fourth one. That is may. May is the next modal verb we are going to study. So let's see the sentences. May I have some water? May I have some food? Here request is being made. The second one is may I help you? This is the offer. That may I help you? The third one, may I shut the door? Here seeking permission. Like we have done in our classes. May I come in? Here permission is sought. So the second one, may God bless you. Our elders usually say, may God bless you. So this is a wish or desire being made. The other one, India may become a superpower by 2050. Here possibility or probability is shown. India may become superpower or may not become superpower. So here in this sentence, India may become superpower by 2050. Possibility or probability is shown. Let's see the other modal verb, that is will or won't. Here let's see some variations. Would you mind if I come over tonight? Would you mind if I come over tonight? This is seeking permission. That if you have any problem, if I come over tonight. The other sentence, would 5 o'clock suit you? Yes, it would. So here you can see that arrangement is being made. That whether would 5 o'clock suit you? Yes, it would. So the other sentence, would you come to my party? Here invitation is being made. You must have heard, would you come to my party? Here invitation is being made. The other sentence, would you prefer tea or coffee? We must have heard sometime, someday. Would you prefer this or that? So here preference is being made. Would you you pass the salt? Commonly you have heard, would you please pass the salt? This is a request being done. So dear students, today we have learnt about 5 modal verbs, that is can, couldn't, will, won't, may and might. I hope this must be helpful for you all. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.